Hi, and welcome to the JWS Do-It-Yourself Window and Door website. My name is John Whalen, and I'm going to show you some of the features of the site and how to maneuver around the site. First off, we have this top green menu, which is going to be our collections that we have. This is a stock window collection, which will be about 500 windows, patio doors, end vent sliders, geometric windows, raw glass, windows with blinds in it, bays, you name it, and they're all at bargain prices. Also, there's going to be the storm door supply site, which is going to have a variety of different storm products, which will be handles, clips, wind chains, closers, hardware kits, various things to fix your storm doors like new. We also have our budget window collection, which is going to be our JWS vinyl, the Builder series. We also have the Essentials, which is going to be made by Sunrise. Now the Essentials ones you can actually order online. We have door walls that you can order online. Also, we have the double hung windows, sliders, end vents, and picture windows, which you can order online. If you don't see your sizes in the windows on the online part of the store, you can fill out the get a free estimate, and we'll be happy. You can give us your sizes, and we'll be happy to give you a price on it. There's no additional charge for custom size windows. Then we have our Premier window collection, which is going to be Vanguard, which is our vinyl reinforced window. We have our JWS series, these are going to be our wood windows, which is the Sightline and the custom wood series. And then we have the Sunrise windows, which is our intermediate vinyl window, which is a very high rated window as well. You can also download brochures on just about any of the window systems that we carry. It'll be on the actual site. There's a brochure button that you push, and boom, you can download it. So feel free to browse through the site, and hopefully we'll have some of the products that you need to repair your home. Thanks for stopping by.